I was sent this rake for my review and I just put it together. Super simple, by the way, and extremely light when you actually hold it. It is metal. All you need to do is assemble it with the 2 screws and nut that actually are in the package. A very, very nice, very sturdy. Love the fact that you can, if you want to, completely take these portions apart or also make it smaller or longer. Obviously, this is the longest part, but if I wanted, I could have it just on this side. If I just wanted, maybe I'm working on my knees and I don't need the whole pole, then I can do that. The cool thing here is it is full metal. It's got nice brackets that kind of like support this whole thing, so it's not going to be bending. Love the fact that, like typical rakes, you'll have the longer ones and the shorter ones. The shorter ones usually I use for like rocks, bigger rocks. So if you see like on this side right here, if I were going to rake this way, then I know, look at that. I know that rake is able to do the work. But if I'm on this side, for example, then I'd use the longer one right here, the longer ones, then I can actually kind of like level the grounds. And this is definitely something that is needed. Look at all the rocks that I'm actually gathering here. So this is definitely needed in this backyard. But yeah, definitely a really nice rake. And if you want to store it, there is a nice little hole at the top so I can actually just hang it if I wanted to. Super.